Hi everyone and welcome to scariest.com. If your brakes fail during driving, God forbid, then this video should help you get out of trouble. Brake failure is one of the most serious and scary car problems, and knowing what to do in this situation is almost necessary knowledge. So stay tuned. scariest.com. Be sure to visit us at our website scariest.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. The first and by far most important tip is to stay calm, don't panic, and try to keep the situation in control. A swift and thought out reaction is key for getting out of trouble. This is easier said than done, since every one of us will surely get scared and panic to some extent. But if in any way possible, keep your focus and above all, keep your eyes on the road. Otherwise, you risk losing control over the car and getting yourself even into more trouble. The moment you notice a brake failure, turn on the hazard lights. This will warn everybody else in traffic that something is wrong and, most importantly, let them know that they should keep a distance from you. At the same time, start slowing down. If you can, go into a stop lane or search for some sort of safe place to be able to slow down the car and stop. To start slowing down the car, first start by taking your foot off the gas pedal. Next, if you drive a stick shift, while the car is slowing down, start to downshift. Go from a higher to a lower gear, and as you'll see, this will help immensely. For automatics, depending on the type of gearbox, you can also do some sort of downshift. Just be careful that you don't damage the engine or gearbox in the process. If your brake pedal isn't working, which is the most common case with a brake failure, if you don't feel any pressure on the pedal or it's soft, then try pumping it. Try pumping the pedal hard and fast a couple of times. This way, you may be able to achieve some pressure and get some additional braking force. Even if the pedal has totally synced to the floor, try pulling it up with your foot and then pumping it again. For the last and most effective tip, use the handbrake, but use it in a specific way like we'll show you. This is why the handbrake is also called an emergency brake. First of all, do not pull the handbrake violently, as this will surely cause loss of control over the car. Instead, press the release button on the handbrake, keep your finger on it, and slowly pull the handbrake lever. By doing this, it will enable you to engage the rear brakes at your convenience, slow the car down, and release the brakes at a moment's notice. Essentially, this way you are in full control of the rear brakes instead of using the foot pedal. This way you can successfully stop the car. Once more, avoid sudden jolts of the handbrake and use it easily. Once more, when a brake failure happens, turn on the hazard lights, start looking for a safe place to slow down and pull over, keep your foot off the gas pedal, start downshifting, try pumping the brake pedal, and use the handbrake wisely to fully stop the car. In a real-life situation, all of this is done in a couple of minutes, provided you stay calm, don't panic, and in charge of the situation. For the end, one more piece of advice. The moment you notice any, and I mean any, anomalies with your brakes, check it out. Also, do the brake maintenance according to the car manufacturer's schedule or how your local mechanic advises. This will certainly help prevent this problem, if not avoid it at all. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.